are Hi, I'm Jackie Boy Moses, and we're going to cook our original recipe. And this, here are ingredients: the 1/4 kilo of shrimp, the 1/4 kilo of squid, the 2 tablespoon butter, the 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and the one teaspoon of mustard, and one-fourth teaspoon of salt, and dash of pepper, the 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and parsley for garnish, and the seasoning.
Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I'm currently Dayasa. Uh, First, we need to saute the shrimp and the squid. Um, all we have to do is just heat the pan, and after heat the pan, we need to put butter instead of oil. Okay. After the butter melts, we need to put the shrimp and the squid. After we cook this shrimp and squid, let me set aside first, and we need to cook for the sauce of shrimp and all we have to do is just put the butter again and until yes. Dali ka tubig. And after the melt the butter, we need put the flour. Follow the mustard, the salt, and dash of basil.
And now we need to wait until the milk boils and stir. And after boil, put
So mustard
the mustard and the cheese. Mustard. Add the cheese.
okay, and we need to add the cheese
Add that.
and one dash of paper again and stir it until the cheese will melt. Okay. If once the sauce is already smooth and thick, we add the shrimp, shrimp and
And we are done for our recipe, which is the the squid and creamy cheese